The pinpoint function can let you mark an object with one click and even get its coordinates and distance.
To use the pinpoint function, take off the aircraft safely and keep it hovering. Enter the wide or zoom camera view, lock the target, and press L3 to drop a pinpoint on it. You can drop multiple pinpoints and they will stay in AR form. By default, you can switch to a different pinpoint using left and right on the 5D button. Long press L3 for advanced settings about the color or the pinpoint list. In map view, you can tap the screen to choose a certain pinpoint to see its coordinates, hide, edit, or delete. In the meantime, the information of the pinpoints will be synchronized with other team members via Flight Hub 2.